Welcome to Upstalbras. Does your mouse cursor disappear when playing games in full screen mode? Here is how to fix it in Windows 10 or 11. To do that, go to Control Panel and open Mouse Settings. One way to do this is to search Mouse and click Mouse Settings. Then click on Additional Mouse Options from the right. Select Pointer Options tab. Uncheck Display Pointer Trails. Hit Apply and then OK. Also, go to the settings and then display. Make sure you adjust scale to 100%. This should fix the issue. If not, here are some more suggestions based on my experience. If you are using OBS for screen recording for the gameplay, stop recording, close OBS and reopen it. Or try using game capture instead of window capture option in OBS for recording. It fixes the issue in case of some games. Also, if you set a different cursor style, try to reset it and see if problem is fixed. If nothing works, see game settings or try another game. If cursor works fine with other games, then the game settings need adjustment. Let me know in comments which suggestion worked for you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.